Hey guys, GoFries here, and this is the keycap I received from Ducky's event just yesterday at the launch over here in Malaysia. So this is the keycap. It is a PBT Double-shot keycap. Here's the product page. It's so beautiful that I've decided to replace the keycap on my really old Ducky keyboard, which is the DK9008G2. The review I've done for this keyboard dates back to 2012. And that's how old the keyboard is. And I like to caution you that this video might be a little bit disgusting for you guys to watch. And yes, disgusting because I am going to talk about cleaning of the keyboard, of my dirty old keyboard. So now let's have a look. This is how dirty it is. So in order to clean the keyboard, step 1, you need to remove the keys. Now let's not get too excited. Before you start removing the keycaps, I do recommend taking a picture of your keyboard's layout. This is to facilitate placing the keycaps back into place. I'm going to remove the keys right now. Do what you need, whether you're using finger or a clamp. I'm going to use a clamp to remove it. And my goodness, look at how dirty is my keyboard. Look at the dust there are in it. Look at the accumulation of fur and everything else. The next thing you are going to do is to put the keycaps into a solvent. In this case, I'm using plain water with dishwasher mix. So it's basically dishwashing detergent, and used with the keycap, you should be able to get it clean. You might need to scrub it a little bit if your keycap has accumulation on the surface. Now, as for my really disgusting looking keyboard right now with the keycaps removed, I am going to clean it with a vacuum cleaner. Now the vacuum cleaner is limited. You might want to use cotton buds to clear around the tiny edges around the switches and all. And you might even want to use whatever means available, even to use tissue with cards or whatever thing that can reach to the nooks and crannies. And once you're done, you can replace the keycap, of which in this case, instead of using the keycaps that I washed, I'm using the new keycaps. And so once everything is done, this is how it looked like, and I am very pleased with the product. So right now, the keycaps from Ducky has breathed a new breath of life to my really old keyboard. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.